Hello everyone, I am Prajulas Gowda pursuing my engineering in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering of years in 1VE 23IS037, 4th SEM DMS, subject code BCS 405A, and today's topic is Rules of Inference. Introduction to Rules of Inference. Rules of inference are fundamental principles in logic used to derive conclusions from premises. These rules form the backbone of deductive reasoning in mathematics and computer science. Understanding these rules can enhance problem solving and logical thinking skills. What is inference? Inference is the process of deriving logical conclusions from premises known or assumed to be true. It plays a crucial role in mathematical proofs and logical arguments. Inferences can be either valid or invalid depending on the rules applied. Types of rules of inference. There are various types of rules including modus ponens, modus tollens, disjunctive syllogism. Each rule has specific conditions under which it can be applied to derive valid conclusions. Familiarity with these types allows for effective application in logical reasoning. Ponens. Modus ponens states that if P implies Q and P is true, then Q must also be true. This rule is frequently used in logical proofs and programming constructs. It is a straightforward and powerful rule for establishing valid conclusions. Modus tollens. Modus tollens asserts that if P implies Q and Q is false, then P must also be false. This rule is essential for negating statements and drawing valid conclusions in logic. It helps in identifying contradictions and refining arguments effectively. Disjunctive syllogism. Disjunctive syllogism states that if P or Q is true and P is false, then Q must be true. This rule is using for eliminating possibilities and narrowing down choices. It is commonly employed in situations involving multiple options or conditions. Hypothetical syllogism. Hypothetical syllogism allows one to conclude P implies R from P implies Q and Q implies R. This rule is instrumental in chaining together multiple logical statements. It is often used in more complex proof involving several premises. Constructive dilemma. Constructive dilemma states that if P or Q and P implies R and Q implies S, then R or S follows. This rule combines elements of disjunction and implication for more complex reasoning. It allows for the conclusion of multiple possible outcomes based on given conditions. Applications of rules of inference. Rules of inference are widely used in mathematical proofs, algorithms, and programming logic. They help in constructing valid arguments and establishing the correctness of statements. Mastery of these rules is crucial for success in discrete mathematics and computer science. Conclusion. Understanding rules of inference is vital for logical reasoning and mathematical proofs. These rules provide a structured approach to derive conclusions from premises. By applying these rules, one can enhance their analytical and problem-solving abilities. This presentation outline provides a structured overview of the rules of inference in discrete mathematics, with each slide focusing on a key aspect of the topic. Thank you.